Hey guys, this is Lily and welcome back to my page. Hey, thank you so much. I'm really honored and I'm really grateful, and it's a privilege to have you guys join me, so thank you. Firstly, we are on the 14th of May now, and this is our third time into hospital, and so I'm waiting. As you know, I'm waiting for the arrival of my granddaughter, and Michelle, the mum, is doing so well. So here I am in the waiting room because I was in the room with her, but now she's just gone to sleep for now to rest so she can have the real save her energy for the time to push baby out. So thank you guys for all your thoughts and prayers, and I know that everything is going to go well for her. Well, they're pretty tired because it's a third night with not much sleep at all. And for me, I've had sleep. I'm okay. I've slept through, I guess, as soon as I hit the bed, but I wake up about 12:30, 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock or 1:30 to get ready, because I just feel that that's the time we're going to come in hospital. It's been like that every morning since the time she started her contractions.
So accreditation every week?
Yeah, everyone cleans up. Everybody's just really conscious of decluttering.
This is the last round. This is the third round, so it'll be the last round for us. They're both having a bit of a rest in there right now. Hopefully they're both getting some good sleep. And I'm just out here, so I'm going to go and walk around. But I'm excited. I'm excited because Lotta must be special. Amazing. Beautiful. Oh, I'm just so excited. I know a lot of you maybe are grandparents already, but for me it's my first time. And I cannot imagine the labor of a woman that goes through, all the contractions that she has. And she's amazing. I must say, a woman is amazing to go through all that. So I've described the pain, maybe, not so much, but just imagine yourself having tummy cramps or stomach cramps when you've had food poisoning. And the tightening of it, well, maybe 5 times more that. That's what I think. I can just maybe describe the pain. It's not exactly, but no one can really tell. A woman can, but it is amazing. Yeah, it's just amazing what you go through. My mum had 13 children. Imagine going through 13 times having contractions like that. Oh my goodness. Mum, may you rest in peace wherever you are. You're a superwoman. You're amazing. Absolutely amazing, Mum. Just a bit vague about the time for me when I was having my contractions and labour, and I just want to say to women out there, you are amazing. Absolutely. There's no words to describe how amazing. You are a superwoman. You are a superwoman. Okay, carrying baby for 9 months, then going through the labour pains of having her, but then after that, it's just so beautiful. It's just a beautiful feeling. So thank you. I'll see you on my next YouTube video, just a follow-up from this. So from this video, so thank you, and we'll see you again on my next video. Don't forget, if you want to see the next part, subscribe to my page. We'll see you then. This is Lily. Bye for now.